Folks, we're on board our 44-foot Lancer. It's a 1981 and it's Philip. And we're doing our signature startup video. We're one of the few brokers that consistently does inside, outside startup videos on the boats that we are selling. What I see is what you see when you come to see the boat. This boat does not smell either, which is a nice feature. So when starting these engines, you have to hit the ignition switch right there. There it goes. We're going to start with the port engine, no particular reason. It does have an audible alarm. The port engine audible alarm isn't working, but the red button right there is your indicator. So it has an LED indicator light. So here we go. We're going to hit, the owner said to leave the throttles right in the positions they are. And he says it'll fire up no problem. This is a dead cold start. Here we go. Hit the start button. The alarm went off. You can see the port engine temp gauge is not registering. We got lots of oil pressure. We got 14 volts charging. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do, and it's running 6,600 RPMs roughly. Let's take a look out the port side exhaust to see what it looks like. The owner's done full servicing on this boat in 2025 on the engines, and they're running like a top. Quick look out the back. Little bit of smoke, sort of what you expect from a dead cold engine. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the starboard side. All diesel engine will typically smoke a little bit on startup. Nothing outrageous there. A little bit of white smoke that'll disappear when they finally warm up. We're going to do the exact same thing on the starboard engine now. This one has an audible alarm. It has a red light as well. And here we go. We're going to hit the start button. And starts right up. The oil pressure is creeping up right now. And you look at the temp on the starboard engine. It's a dead cold start. It's running 14 volts of RPMs, running 700, 800 RPMs. I'm going to pull the throttles back just a little bit. And let's go take a look at the starboard exhaust, see what it looks like. Walk on over out the back here. It's got a little bit of white smoke coming out of it. It's the right color and lots of water flow too. Just what you want to see. That smoke will dissipate when the engines finally warm up, but that's a dead cold start. That's the difference. We do dead cold starts on all our startup videos on the boats that we are selling so that you see what I see. So if you were to go for a sea trial, this is exactly what you would see. They would fire up exactly how it is right now. We're not going to start the boats when you come to see them in the viewings because that's not going to tell you anything. But I want to prove to you that the boat starts and runs and does what it's supposed to do. Again, one of the other nice features on this boat is that it has feathering propellers for making for better sailing. But with twin engines, you got a great reliable plan. It cruises at a decent speed, and this is an ideal setup for the Pacific Northwest. Owners have had this for 30 years. It's time for it to go. Realistically priced. Thanks again for watching our startup video on our 44-foot Lancer. Thanks again for watching.